Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by collecting the essential gear and positioning devices. Plug the Xbox power brick into the console and wall outlet. Make sure the green light appears. If using HDMI, connect the HDMI cable to the Xbox HDMI port and to an available Bravia HDMI input. If using AV/component, connect color-matched cables securely. Once done, switch the TV to that input. You do this now so the devices are recognized when you power the Xbox on, avoiding extra troubleshooting later. Now power the Xbox 360 and wait for the dashboard to appear on the Bravia screen. If you see no image, toggle inputs and ensure the HDMI cable is fully seated. For AV, confirm matching colors. Next, on the Xbox, navigate to System Settings, Console Settings, Display, and set resolution to a supported mode, typically 720p or 1080p, depending on the model and TV. Make sure overscan or aspect ratio is set to 16:9 on the TV so the image fits correctly. Finish by selecting audio output on the Xbox, HDMI for TV speakers or optical for external audio, and test a game or video app to confirm audio and video sync. Make sure TV picture mode and sharpness are adjusted for gaming to reduce lag. If you encounter a blank screen, green tint, or no sound, power down both devices, reseat cables, and try another HDMI port or a different cable. Persistent issues often stem from faulty cables, wrong input selection, or TV input settings.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.